Hey guys, what's up? I'm Haley.
And I'm Jackie with Sharper Image, and today we're rolling in style with the RC Pixie Cruiser.
This is a fun little monster car with a 5-mile-per-hour actual speed.
It has high-octane performance that works both on and off the road.
And it comes with all the required batteries, so it's ready to run right out of the box.
We designed this cruiser to go farther with the rugged pink grip tires.
And spring-loaded suspension. Your kids can go longer too with the 45-minute runtime.
That's almost triple the range of the competition. We built the wireless remote with intuitive controls.
And 2.4 gigahertz frequency, so you can easily pair and race all of your friends at the same time.
What's awesome about this vacuum-formed body is that it's extremely durable and has a stylish magenta and white color scheme.
And the custom daisy decals makes your cruiser as unique as you are. Leave opponents in your pixie dust
with the Sharper Image RC Pixie Cruiser.
Are you ready for a transforming adventure? From Disney Junior's Mickey and the Roadster Racers, introducing the Mickey Roadster Transforming RC. Join in on the madcap fun straight from the hit show Mickey and the Roadster Racers. Race around hot dog hills, again and again. Cross the finish line for the big win. The race never ends. Mickey Roadster Transforming RC, only from Jada Toys.